So here's the this wall was opened up by my plumber to replace these valves for the washing machine, and I have to patch that drywall up. And in order to do that, you have to create backing, so you can put drywall screws to attach the drywall, because obviously there's no backing here or here. So what you do is you get these strips of wood. I like to use oak because it's a lot stronger. So let's just zoom in on one of these little areas here. This area, like this area down here. I'm going to use 2 pieces of drywall. So I'm going to come up from the top, from the bottom to where those 2 valves are, and I'm going to come from up here, come down. If we zoom in on the this little area right in here. Okay, this is beat up here, so I'm going to cut, and there's a 2x4 that goes this way to here. So I'm going to cut this drywall down to here, about 1 inch below there, and I'll use the 2x4 that's right there, that goes this way, as backing for this side. Over here, what you got to do is you got to put a board like that, and extend it about 1.5 inches on each way. And then you've got backing on that corner. And then because I've got this metal plate here, I'm just going to use construction adhesive to glue the drywall up here to this plate. It should be okay. And then the same way up. And then notice on this plate moves a little bit, just like that. And you don't want that piece of plumbing to have any flex in it or movement. So I'm going to cut a 2x4 small block, put it back in here, use construction adhesive caulk to glue it to the wall, and it'll give some backing support on this side here. This side doesn't need it, it's screwed in right there, so this is pretty tough and it's pretty secure.